What if I told you that losing in trading could actually make you more money in the long run? Sounds insane, right? But stick with me because today I'm revealing a game-changing logic that turns brutal losses into jaw-dropping profits. And the best part? You don't need insider knowledge or fancy indicators, just one simple math trick that most traders completely overlook. Let's face it, trading is brutal.
Wow.
One wrong move and you're down 50%. But here's the kicker. Most people don't realize that recovering from a 50% loss doesn't mean the market needs to bounce back 50%.
Oh, no!
It needs to double 100% just to break even. Picture this. You start with $10, but after a brutal drop, you're left with $5. That's a 50% loss.
Ouch!
But to recover, that $5 has to grow by 100%. This is where most traders fail. They don't have a strategy to escape this trap. But what if I told you there's a way to not only recover faster, but actually profit from these crashes?
Woo!
Let's break it down. November 8th, 2021, Bitcoin is on fire. You go long at 63K, throwing in $1,000, feeling unstoppable. But then, boom, crash. Your balance shrinks to $500. Brutal, right? Most traders? They hodl. They wait 854 days, over 2 years, just to break even when Bitcoin finally returns to 63K in 2024. But you're smarter. Instead of waiting, you take control. You sell, take a $500 loss and re-enter with $1,000 at 31K. Now when Bitcoin returns to 63K, you've turned a loss into profit. Let's do the math. Profit $1,000, loss $500, total profit $500. But what if Bitcoin crashes again? Let's say it drops to 15,730. Most panic. You see opportunity. Just repeat the same algorithm. Take a $500 loss and re-enter with $1,000 at the bottom. Fast forward, Bitcoin rebounds to 63K.
Yes!
Now check this. Trade profit, $3,000. Total losses, $1,000. Final profit, $2,000. Instead of waiting years just to break even, you just doubled your money.
Yay!
And what about the bonus I promised? And that is the ultimate hedging strategy that protects your portfolio and eliminates stress. Want it? Then drop a comment below. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that button, hit like, and drop a comment. What's your biggest trading mistake? Let's talk. See you in the next one.